Welcome to Wolfnest, your trusted property management in Salt Lake City, Utah. Today, we're delving into a topic that concerns both property managers and tenants alike, the pros and cons of tenant renovations. As a property management company, Wolfnest understands the delicate balance between allowing tenants to personalize their units and the potential challenges that might arise. Let's explore the advantages and disadvantages associated with tenant renovations, providing valuable insights for effective property management. Advantages associated with tenant renovations. Number 1. Tenant satisfaction and personalization. Allowing tenants to renovate fosters a sense of ownership and satisfaction, contributing to happier, long-term tenants and positive referrals. Number 2. Property enhancement. Well-executed renovations can genuinely enhance the property's appeal, attracting a broader range of tenants and positively impacting overall desirability. Number 3. Potential cost savings. In some cases, tenants may cover the renovation costs, leading to potential savings for property owners in a transparent and mutually beneficial financial arrangement. Disadvantages associated with tenant renovations. Number 1. Quality control. Concerns about subpar workmanship highlight the need for vigilant quality control measures to preserve the property's overall value. Number 2. Compliance with regulations. Ensuring renovations comply with regulations is crucial to avoiding legal complications and financial penalties. Number 3. Impact on property value. Varying tastes among tenants may impact property value, prompting property managers to consider the long-term resale impact. Number 4. Timeline and disruption. Striking a balance between personalization and a reasonable timeline is crucial to overall tenant satisfaction and minimizing disruption. Number 5. Cost overruns. Clear guidelines on renovation scope and potential cost-sharing arrangements are crucial to avoiding financial surprises. While tenant-initiated renovations give both advantages and disadvantages, a proactive and thoughtful approach is key. Wolfnest encourages property managers to provide clear guidelines, ensure compliance with regulations, and offer professional assistance. By striking a balance between tenant satisfaction and property value preservation, property owners can navigate these dynamics successfully. If you're searching for reliable property management services in Utah and prioritizing the long-term success of your investments, consider partnering with Wolfnest. Our experienced team is dedicated to maintaining property integrity and ensuring satisfaction for property owners and tenants alike. Contact us today to discover how Wolfnest can elevate your property management experience in Salt Lake City and beyond. Trust Wolfnest for a property management experience that stands above the rest.